This is our end results of our jambalaya. We have chicken wings in there. We have Cajun sauces in there. I'm telling you, this is perfect. It is not gummy. It's not sticky. It's just flaky, and it's full of a lot of flavor. This is Sandra. I want to tell you happy eating, and thank you for coming to my channel. And go to soulfoodqueen.net and get some recipes that you might have missed, and that's really you might want to try. In my jambalaya, I like to spice up some wings. I like wingettes to put in my jambalaya. I love the wingettes. I use Jamaica season and I use cayenne pepper and a little black pepper to give it a good flavor when you mix it in with the jambalaya and the rice and stuff. Oh, that tastes wonderful. So I like to put chicken wings or chicken thighs, either or, either or. So I like to use these little drumettes and just put them whole inside the chicken. Oh my! I mean, inside the jambalaya, you have a whole piece of chicken wing in there. Oh, it is so delicious and so different. I put these in the oven until they get real good and crispy, and then I transfer it to the jambalaya mix. I will be right back. Put this in the oven for about 30, 40 minutes, and we'll be right back and show you what it looked like to put into our jambalaya. All right, we got our sauces. We got our bell pepper, celery, onion, the Holy Trinity in this pot to make our jambalaya. So what we're going to do now is put the diced tomatoes, and we're going to add our chicken wings, and we're going to add our ham. You can use any sausage that you like to put in this dish. All right, we got our bay leaves, we got our ham, and we got our spices, our thyme. So we're going to get ready to put some tomatoes in here, and then we're going to let it simmer for about 5 or 10 minutes, and then we're going to add the rice and put it in the oven and add the shrimp. All right, after it done sit and got the flavors into it, the bay leaves, the thyme, and the crushed red bell pepper, then we're going to go ahead and add our rice to the dish and our chicken, and we're going to put it in the oven and be right back. All right, we add our raw shrimp to the jambalaya, and we're going to put it in the oven and let it cook for about 20 minutes, and it'll be ready. We're going to pour it on top of our chicken wings that we have chicken wings in this pot right here, in this roasted pan. We're going to pour that on top of the chicken wings, and we'll be ready with our jambalaya. We'll be right back. All right, this is the end results of our jambalaya. We got the shrimp, we got the sausages, we got ham, and we have a very good, delicious tomato paste in there. This is a wonderful dish.